look exactly alike.
We are in New York. We arrived.
What our view is.
I'm excited to be here on March break. Back from eating pizza. I'll insert clips. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm tired. It's like past 8. 9:15. Anyways, the pizza was good. We had like on olives and like arugula and stuff on it. So mushrooms. Bye. It's TV for the second day. A little too I have my jeans on, my shoes, turtleneck, and this Uniqlo bag. I added a Hello Kitty chain on it because she's like one of my favorite Sanrio characters.
I remember.
Pretty, the lantern.
Remember, you were always the pink nut, and we should go
Always the red. Sister.
Hi.
Alright, we are going day 3.
I see it, I forgot. Yep, day 3.
I'm filming this on my phone again because I don't want to take out my camera. I'm lazy. I'm excited to go shopping. Today isn't Soho, but we're gonna go just shopping today. Just looking for clothes. Yes, and things. This is our outfit. Mom, your outfit's so cute. lot. I know
Huh?
Yes.
Any specific stores you want to go to today?
Not really. Because I feel like we already went to the 2 stores that I really want to go to, which is like Uniqlo and Zara. Uniqlo had my sweater, but they didn't have my size. Zara didn't have anything. Anyways, guys,
No,
look at the beautiful church behind me. Done. Save for me. We went to eat pasta at Angela's again because it's our favorite spot. Last time we were in New York, we were kinda in this area, but not really. So we decided to go other places. So we went back and we tried pasta. This is exciting. Okay, bye. So I'm gonna record on my camera since I've been recording on my phone. Now we're going back home because we finished eating dinner and now we're gonna go back to our hotel and watch Next in Fashion.
Oh yeah. Shower. Nada's gonna give me a fashion show of all the stuff she
Yes,
bought.
I might show it on this vlog. I don't know. But yes, I bought a lot today. So bye guys. Good morning. Oh, why do I? Okay. Today is, what day is it, Mom? Day
17. Past St. Patrick's.
No. Oh yeah. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Day in New York. Yeah. I didn't put my tripod, I didn't set it up. But you know, this will work. Fit. Yeah. Okay. 4th day, OOTD. Yeah. Wait, does this look good fully buttoned or should I like leave it so it's split? Split, right? So this video was originally for my close friends, but I decided to add it for you guys, you know, show you my OOTD. Okay. Firstly, White Runners. My dad jeans. This white shirt. I had this half sweater, so I put it on top to pair it together. My mom's letting me have this purse.
Borrow.
So I doubled the strap so that I could wear it like over my shoulder. Hair in a ponytail. Makeup. Yeah. I've got this knit sweater thing from Zara. This white shirt. I don't know. I've had it since grade 8 graduation. And I got these, like, the dad jeans from Levi's. Yes. And white platform shoes. And then I just put my hair in a ponytail. And I did my makeup. My mom's OOTD.
I'm wearing a green face mask. Okay. I'm wearing a mock neck from Zara. My Burberry scarf. Jeans from Anne Klein, I think they are. And Oh, purse, Burberry.
Scarf, Burberry.
It was Burberry, I mentioned that.
You look so cute. Oh wait, focus. Yeah. Happy St. Patty's Day. All right, I'm nervous today because we're going to do a tour of like my dream university. A little scary, but yeah, I'm excited to like see what's happening in the school, other kids. Yeah. And then we're getting these really yummy fries after. But right now we're gonna go get breakfast. There's this really good place that's like literally like 5 steps out of our hotel. It's this place called, what's it called? The
Joe the Juice?
Joe the Juice. Joe's got the juice. Sorry, that's so funny. Anyways, yeah, Joe's got the juice. Joe the Juice is what it's called, and he has this really good green juice. So
Yeah.
hi. We're on the NYU campus, and we're like 30 minutes early for the actual orientation thing. Or not orientation, tour. I'm nervous, and I don't know if this is really my vibe, but we'll see. We're gonna keep walking, and then go to the thing, and then eat after. Alright. Good morning. Good morning, guys. This is my fit. OOTD day 4. Day 4, right? Day 5. OOTD day 5. 8.
We tried to go to this place, but it's by appointment only. Boo. So we stopped at coffee because
It was much needed.
I needed to.
Very good, huh?
He says he wants to go, but he's
Caramel ribbon punch. Didn't have to move to get it.
Amazing.
Kind of thing.
We are on the street where Miss Carrie Bradshaw lived in Sex and the City, and my mom is in heaven. It's 5 to 7. Okay, so this is a really quick crossover from us being at Carrie Bradshaw's house to now eating. But basically, we just shopped for like a few more hours and we eventually got hungry. So we went to this Mediterranean bowl place. I forgot the name of a lot of locations in New York, but if I remember it, I'll write it in the video. But it was really, really good. You can get pita to the side, you can make your own bowl. And honestly, it was like the perfect meal after walking all day. 10 out of 10, recommend. Hello. Good morning. This is our last full day in New York. This is my outfit.